Dhoom 3 theatrical trailer is a world-class exploration of the tremendous possibilities that are going to be there for the Indian film industry from here on. Sudeep Chatterjee's camera work is simply spellbinding. Aamir Khan is enjoying himself, and it's very apparent that he is determined to take his superstardom to another level altogether. Aamir Khan events are always different because he tries to bring in a personalized element into his events. Today as well, when he came, he interacted with the media and the journalists on a one-to-one basis, spoke to them and just chit-chatted generally, which is something totally unique and different from what anyone else does in Bollywood. So hats off to Aamir once again for doing that. Time for some highlights from today's event.
साल के आखिर में आ रही है फिल्म और आपके दोस्त सलमान ने कहा है कि अभी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बाद जब एक के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है और धूम है, धूम से आमिर धमाल करेंगे, धूम मचाएंगे। कितनी धूम आपके आने के बाद इस धूम से मचेगी?
पता नहीं यार, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं कितनी धूम मचेगी, लेकिन हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि हम लोग एक बहुत ही कमाल की एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म आप लोगों को दें। यही कोशिश रहेगी हमारी। धूम कितनी मचेगी तो वो तो पता लगेगा 20 दिसंबर को जब फिल्म रिलीज होगी। Up till then, fingers crossed.
Aamir, could you please tell us something about your relationship with Jackie Shroff?
Well, Jackie is a close friend of mine. I really love him. He's a great guy.
In the movie,
he's a great guy, and he's fantastic. Oh, in the movie.
Yeah.
वो मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, मैं उन्हें सालों से जानता हूँ।
Sorry,
ये
I didn't read the question properly. In the film, we shouldn't tell you all this यार. ये सब बोलना नहीं चाहिए ना. हाँ, आप फिल्म देखो यार.
He's playing your father.
You should see the film. I mean, you should check. You should guess from the promo. But I shouldn't tell you specifics.
Salman plans to kind of launch Jai Ho around, let's say, a 10-day far away from Dhoom, around 31st. Now, that's again a big movie. Salman Khan movies usually are. So do you think that might affect Dhoom in any way? There's also this 300 crore mark pressure now because of the Chennai Express thing. What do you have to say? What do you think of the entire thing?
Salman is a dear friend. And I think anything that he does will only be something which will help us. I don't think any of us are looking at records. I think what is really important for us is कि जो फिल्म हमने बनाई है वो लोगों को पसंद आए और वो वाकई उनको जो एक बड़ी एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म से वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उनको मिले और उनको पूरा सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले, ये हम चाहते हैं। मैं आंकड़ों में नहीं जाता हूँ।
We've seen in the recent times that like be the Batman series or James Bond as well, the villain somewhere apart from the stunts that they perform, they also just indulge in a lot of mind games as well. Do we see something of that sort in
Mind
Dhoom 3
games.
as well?
Oh, you'll have to check the film यार। ये सब मैं बताऊंगा नहीं अभी यार। मैं कम से कम बताना चाह रहा हूँ। Because I want you to enjoy the film. I want you to enjoy the film. I just want to tell you this much that what Victor narrated to me, I loved. And then what he has made is, I think, what he had in his mind, what was on paper, he's managed to bring it out really well on screen. So I think all of us are really happy with the way the film has turned out.
So Mr. Bachchan has seen the promo of Dhoom 3. I believe Aditya Chopra showed it to him before it was available to all of us. So what was his feedback to you on your performance and also Aamir, if you have had happened?
Dad was shooting for KBC, and the set of KBC is in Yashraj Studios. He has known Adi since Adi was, I think, brought to him in the hospital when he was born. So he has a bit of a connect with him, and Adi came to him and said, Amit uncle, I want to show you the trailer. I think the trailer had just come out, right, Victor? This is, I think, day before yesterday. He didn't tell me. I think he met you.
Him.
Yeah.
He told me about it.
Yeah. And he came home, and in his usual cool style, he said, saw the promo. Awesome. So I was happy.
He spoke to me and he said he really loved it. And he was really happy. So I was thrilled.
Aamir, there's a dialogue, circus वाला हूँ, सिर्फ आंखों को नहीं, मौत को धोखा देता हूँ, रोज. Do you think that that is one of the dialogues that will become quite famous in terms of the dialogue bazi bit?
I don't know, yaar. I hope so.
Did you like it personally?
I hope so. Yeah, it's a great line. It's a great line.
After John, Hrithik and now Aamir, who has been the most difficult character for Jai Dikshit, for your character among the three?
Nobody actually thought when we were making Dhoom 1 that it would turn into this huge franchise. And then we came with Dhoom 2 where we needed a larger challenge. And Dhoom 3, the only brief was make it bigger and better. I think we've achieved that. I can't say which one was more difficult to catch. I think they were all different circumstances. So they're all very different. The three villains have always been very different from each other. There's no similarity between them. And I really think Aamir this time has pushed the envelope beyond what even we thought was possible. And full credit for him for doing that. I think he's done a brilliant job. I said it before we started shooting. I think he's done brilliant, memorable films. I think this will be his biggest and most memorable.
I did the film because I really loved the role, and I was looking forward to the opportunity of working with Abhishek and Uday. And I must say it was a great experience. दोनों के साथ काम करके बेहद मज़ा आया. और दोनों के लिए मैंने एक नाम भी रखा है, याजूद माजूद.
ये क्या है?
आप लोग जानते हैं याजूद माजूद क्या है? नहीं जानते आप?
नहीं.
मेरी अम्मी मुझे बताती थी जब मैं छोटा था कि 2 फरिश्ते होते हैं जो आपके कंधों पे बैठे रहते हैं. जब भी आप कोई गलत काम करने जा रहे हैं तो एक फरिश्ता बोलता है मत करो यार, ये गलत काम है, ठीक नहीं है, मत करो. दूसरा बोलता है कर लो यार, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, एक ही ज़िंदगी, एक जो करना है कर लो. तो दोनों याजूद माजूद लगे मुझे, उदय और अभिषेक. देखिए बड़े रूमर्स फैल रहे हैं कि मैं पता नहीं कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी करने वाला हूँ. कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, आप प्रोमो देखिए, पसंद आएगा तो आप लोग आएंगे फिल्म देखने.
लेकिन कुछ अलग हमेशा आप करते हैं हर फिल्म को लेकर.
देखते हैं क्या होता है.
The scene in which Katrina has to put her leg on your shoulder.
हाँ.
She must have been nervous. How many takes did she have to do?
Actually, Katrina is a fantastic dancer. She is extremely flexible and supple. So I don't think she had a problem. She had absolutely no problem.
This is Faridoon Shahryar with Zohaib Jamatar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.
Amir, since you play a character which is in the circus, do you feel that in real life, do you think that life is also like a circus somewhere? It's like up and down.
जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ. Definitely, I think so.